this. How can you encourage the youth to become part of the solution in addressing poverty? I repeat, how can you encourage the youth to become part of the solution in addressing poverty? Your 10 seconds to think starts now.
Good day, everyone. I would like to empower the youth in addressing poverty through focusing on their education. That is why I want to champion my advocacy for peace, because through 4Ps we do not just deliver financial aid, we also deliver in helping them invest in their capital development. And through 4Ps we could give the youth a better chance to be able not just to survive in the world but also to thrive. And also, as an ARB ambassadress, I would like to leave my legacy wherein I am remembered not just because of this title or recognition, but because I have touched the lives of the youth and all of the Filipinos. Thank you.